Hello learners, this is the Python tutorial for beginners and myself Dr. Bora, and this is the lecture number 7 and our topic is operator precedence in Python. So let's begin. What is precedence of operators? The precedence of operators enables us to know which operators should be evaluated first. So you know precedence means what? Suppose in an expression we do have, say, 3 different operators. Operator A, operator B, operator C. Okay, so accordingly we have different operands. So now there should be some precedence or priority that this A is the operator that I am going to evaluate first, after that B, after that C, like that, isn't it? Otherwise the expression can't be evaluated. Now in our Python also you have already been introduced different operators in my previous lectures, so go through them if you don't have already gone through it. So now we have a precedence table about the precedence of the different operators in Python. You have to remember this precedence. Okay, so the first precedence comes to this operator, and you know this is parenthesis. So first priority will be always given to the parenthesis. Then second one is this double star, and you know double star stands for exponent. And after that we have unary plus, unary minus, and bitwise not. Okay, so first parenthesis, second exponent, third unary plus, unary minus, bitwise not. And after that only we have this multiplication, division, floor division, and modulus. Clear? Then after that we have plus and minus. Then we have shift operators, shift left and shift right. Then we have bitwise OR. After bitwise OR we have comparison operators like equal, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, is not, in, not in. Then we have not, that is logical not, and we have and, logical and then we have logical OR, and lastly we have bitwise XOR operator, exclusive OR. XOR stands for exclusive OR. In some lectures I will try to show an example with bitwise XOR operator, don't worry. So now up to now remember that parenthesis has the first precedent, after that only exponent comes, then all the unary plus, minus, bitwise not will come, then star, division, floor division, modulus, then plus addition and subtraction, then only bitwise shift left and shift right, then bitwise OR, then this comparison operators, then not, and, OR, and last we have bitwise XOR operator. Clear? So I'm going to show you a practical example. Okay. Now you open your SPYDER. So this is the SPYDER IDE. Now I'm going to show you an expression. Say this is the expression 2 star 3 plus 4. So 2 operators are there, star and plus. If you don't know about the precedence, then obviously you will get confused that whether first I need to evaluate this or evaluate this one. You know, for if you consider the first case, your expression result will be something different, isn't it? 2 cross 3 plus 4. If you 3 plus 4 is added, then 7 into 2, that is 14. But what happens when we consider this one? 2 cross 3, that is 6 plus 4, that is 10. So both are different. Clear? Now you see 10 is coming. How? Because you know from the precedence table that star has greater precedence than our plus. Okay, it is clear? Then suppose I want to make reverse of it. That is, I want to have this plus as the higher precedent than this multiplication. How to do that? Simply just put parenthesis. Parenthesis has the highest precedence. Now, this expression, for the same expression, you will get the value as 14. That is, t plus 4 is evaluated first. Although plus has less precedence than multiplication, now it is evaluated. Why? This is put in parenthesis. Clear? So t plus 4, 7, 7 cross 2, 14. Clear? Then I am taking one more example. Say 2 cross 2, 2. So, what according to you the value should be? Yeah, now it will be 4 into 8. How it is evaluated? This 2 cross 2 means 2 to the power 2, that is 4 into 2, 8. Okay, so let's, so all the numbers are similar, so you will not find a difference. Say, take this one. So now, if I calculate 4 into 2, how much? 8. And t to the power 8 is a big number, of course. So, but here you will got 36. How? Because double star, that is exponent, has higher precedence than cross multiplication. So, it is evaluated first. So, I think you better take an example by yourself, including 3 or more operators, and try to evaluate their precedence by yourself. Okay, that is kind of homework for you. You all guys do that. Then this will be more practical. So guys, I hope today's lecture is very clear to you. Today we have covered a very important topic, that is precedence. How the operators will be evaluated in an expression on the basis of precedence. That is, we have covered in this class, and we have seen that different operators has different precedence, and among them parenthesis has the highest precedence, and then exponent, then unary, plus, minus, bitwise, not, then multiplication, division, then floor division, modulus, addition, minus, then bitwise shift, bitwise shift left and right, then bitwise or, then all the comparison operators, then not, and, or, and bitwise or XOR. So guys, today the precedence is covered. Next we will cover the associativity of the operators, and that will be also very important. So do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And if you like this video really, then do like it. And so meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.